MetaMask is a Web3 wallet that you use to store Ethereum and Ethereum tokens on. It is a consensus formation. So what you want to do is download and install MetaMask for Chrome. It's an extension, so make sure you're going to the correct extension by going to the correct website. There's some proof here. So we'll go ahead and add to Chrome. We want to add the extension. So now it has been added to Chrome. Let's go ahead and get started. In this case, we are going to create a wallet. You'll need to read through this and agree, and then create a password. Read the terms of use. And create. So this is an important part of this. You want to make sure you write down these secret words. You don't want to put them on the internet anywhere, or have photographs of them, or have them written down and stored in an unsafe place. They need to be in a safe place. So go ahead and write them down at first, and we'll go through another step after this. Okay, once you've written your 12 words down, go ahead and hit next. And then it actually makes sure that you wrote the words down, because you do need these words. They make it really easy to rebuild your wallet in the future. And go ahead and hit confirm. Another reminder to keep your seed safe. We cannot recover it. No one can. It's up to you. Go ahead and all done. You'll be shown this screen talking about swapping and some different token swap. That's cool. We go over that in other videos. So here we are. This is your account, your new Ethereum account. We can copy to clipboard. And if we want, we can create, go to Etherscan and go ahead and paste in our address. So the way I did that was going here and just clicking on it, copying it, and then going to Etherscan, and then you can see that this is an empty address. So what we'll need to do is go onto an exchange and buy some Ethereum and send it to this account. And this is pretty much where you're on your own. You'll have to figure out how to get Ethereum and send it to this address. So thank you.